Want to know who your best customers are or where they're coming from? Shopify's customer reports hold all the answers. I'll show you where to find them. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Understanding your customers is the key to repeat business and effective marketing. Go to Analytics, Reports and navigate to the Customers section. Here, you'll find reports like Customers over time, which shows your new customer growth, and First time versus returning customer, which reveals your store's loyalty. The Customers by Location report is essential for planning international shipping or local marketing campaigns. A crucial pro tip: pay close attention to the returning customer rate. A high percentage means people love your products and your brand. A low one means you have a one-time purchase problem and need to focus on email marketing and retention. And just like that, you can stop thinking of your customers as a single group and start understanding them as individuals. Customer reports help you build a community, not just a list. What's your returning customer rate? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to install Google Analytics 4 on Shopify. Thanks for watching.